Okay, let's talk radio. You know, there's something with radio that I'm not excited about.
Yeah.
One thing that I'm excited ngayo, uma besekusondela i-festive season. Angibi excited. Isizathu esidala ukuthi ngingabi excited ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi programming is about to change. And the radio during the festive season ayithathwa serious.
When you suggested this topic, did you notice that I didn't reply?
Yes.
Yeah.
You didn't.
Because I wanted to reply in studio.
I-radio during the festive season ayithathwa serious. That's just my view. Normal programming iyayekwa, indaba ziyehliswa, current talk shows between 6 and 7 ayaphela. I understand ukuthi vele i-news cycle isuke incane kakhulu, suke zinganingi indaba, so I get that. But in some shows kuthathwa your people that are not as good, but the opportunity to host shows, but you can tell that this person is just not ready to be hosting a breakfast show. This person should not be on a daytime show. Usabelonga lana amela bukhona. But ngoba i-radio ithathwa serious ngama-holiday, kuvela kuzenzelwe nje. So I really don't enjoy festive season radio. There are few shows. There are few people vele banga weekend but I say bona lo vele deserve over during the week. So I enjoy those people. Mabe ngibezwa during the week. I'm like, yes, vele, this is where they belong. And then there are few, and then majority of them I'm like, yeah, right.
To be honest with you, I have a different view.
Okay.
I think it's good. Ukuthi nge festive season kuba ne change. Vele kuba i-change esikhashana.
Yeah.
The reason it's good, one, obviously laba bakade begijima unyaka wonke, the obvious thing badinga ukuthatha ama leave and go to recharge. I-radio is an industry that demands umuntu ukuthi abe creative.
Yes.
And sometimes when you go on
for too long, yes,
on ungasitholi ithuba lokuphula back and recharge, you can even end up running out of ideas. So that's the good part. But the biggest reason this becomes, for me, I don't know what the all prongs manager bacabanga kanjani. This becomes an opportunity for ama prongs manager ukuthi I try out new people and see ukuthi umuntu ebengimfake ku 9 to 12 ebusuku, ku 12 to 3 ebusuku use developeke kangakanani. Njengoba ngimthatha manje just for 1 week ngimtrya ku 12 to 3. Now sengiyamlalela ukuthi udevelopeke kangakanani. Remember ukuthi i-development yomuntu personal usenikeziwe i-opportunity kwi-show ethile, so they are within a big radio station, be it Metro, be it Ukhozi, be it Gagasi, be it Lesedi FM, be it Umhlobo Onene. But now une responsibility yokulalela amanye ama radio show, une responsibility yokuvakashela ama shows abanye abasakazi while enza uhlelo olu late at night noma olunge weekend. Develop, prepare, because opportunity needs to meet people who are ready. Then go December, that is when the opportunity now isiyaqhamuka ukuthi wozake Ntobeko Khulusi uzokwenza u12 to 3. That is how we have seen abantu abanjengosizwe Sibisi demonstrating their talent. Mengabe esesuka on a weekend show nge-festive season ezobanjiswa phakathi ney'nsuku. We understand?
Yeah.
That is when abantu abanjengoma Fresh sibabonile benikezwa ama-shows aphakathi ney'nsuku. We understand? I'm just having examples in my head. That is when abantu akade kwaziyo ukuthi wenza uhlelo le-gospel. Hawu nangu Siyamhlongo esefakwe kwi-breakfast show. And then people begin to comment ukuthi hayibo, uSiyamhlongo uyakwazi ukusakaza i-breakfast show. Ukhosta kahle noThembeka. And you understand? So that is when abantu beziveza i-talent labo ukuthi cha ukuthi ngifakwe lapha akusho ukuthi anginalo i-talent. So this becomes isikhathi sokuthi abantu bayiveze. Remember, in April we're going to be having new shows. So from January, the management is going to begin to work on the lineup for the new year. And le nto eyenzeke nge-festive season, yes, ngoba abanye bebelivini, but isimenze wabona ma capabilities. That's according to me.
I get you completely. I get you completely. And I'm not going to argue with you on that one. All I'm saying is, as fair as that is, there is an impact, though, on the quality of radio that we are getting. Yes, kuchekwa abantu base living, that's standard. Vele kumele baye living. But the quality of radio that we get does get impacted. So what is it that can be done by those who are in powers? Ukuthi bathi mangabe benikwa labantu lama opportunities. Kodwa let's not impact the quality of radio that we get, because that's my problem. The quality of radio is not the same, because some of them are just not ready to be on radio at daytime. I'm not saying they should not be given those opportunities.
But it is a trial time.
But it's giving me as a listener, and it says turn the station off because this person is just horrible. Is not ready to be on radio at this time. They suck. Because some of them do suck. And it's not nice to listen to someone. I can't listen to someone. How about Lashem ngoba bamniki opportunities then ngizolalela ukuthi bamniki opportunities. But I'm not enjoying the experience as a listener.
The good thing about radio now is that you can easily switch over.
100%. And I do.
Yes, you can easily switch over. But any radio station must be able to groom other people who are going to be ready.
But let's not impact the quality of the radio.
So how do we do it?
Keep them where they are until they are ready. Give them feedback. Train them where they are until they are ready. You will identify someone that is ready. Some of the people that are given the opportunities, they are just not ready. But in my view, but again, I'm just Ntobeko Khuluze. What do I know?
How do you groom me where I am when I am doing a 1 to 4 a.m. slot at night, where I'm expected just to do back announcing, have very short links, and have DJs playing throughout the show. And, there's no live read at that time. There's so much that I'm not exposed to because of the time slot that I am given. It's a trainee slot. Now, when you then say, okay, it's festive, we're going to give you the Saturday breakfast show. Obviously, we're not going to risk with the a weekday breakfast show with Ntobeko because siyamuzwa lapha nebusuku akakabi read. Now, at least now is going to have an opportunity of a live read. He's going to have an opportunity of introducing news. He's going to have an opportunity of having a topic, because on that show, maybe even a topic is not part of what the show should look like.
I think I've made my point. I'm not going to answer that. I can, but I'm not going to answer it. Please go into the comment section and share your thoughts and views on everything that we've spoken about today. Sazisa ukuthi ike philana khona esinhlanhlatha khona. Ike futhi la esinembe khona kuningi kokunye besifisa ukukhuluma ngakho njengoba nje ubungiza ngithuka manje sekuthiwa siye radioweni ngoba mina bengazi ukuthi sisazokhuluma